Hello guys, so today I'm going to swap my Mercedes key, but I'm going to upgrade the key cover or key fob. This is a part where the main chip is installed inside. This is the key I'm running now on my car. As you can see, the key is pretty old, and it is not surprise that a car is 20 years old and the key is already tired. As you can see, the main issues are connected with the buttons. They are correct, and to be honest, I don't like the material which is used on these buttons. This is plastic, and because this is plastic, they are tend to be cracked after some years. If I compare it to my VW MK4 GTI K, that K has the rubber on the bottoms, and besides that, that car is older than my Mercedes, and that car is running with genuine key. The car of my VW, the key of my GTI, looks way better than this Mercedes key, because the buttons on the VW key are made from rubber and not plastic. The Mercedes from 2006 or 7 have the new styled chrome keys, but if I decide to buy that chrome key, I can find it genuine used, but then I have to program it and to attach it on my car, and it costs me a lot of money. So I decided to go and buy genuine black key and swap the chip which is inside of my key. And here is, guys, what I have found. This is genuine Mercedes key which came from W209 chassis CLK 2005 year model, and as you can see here, for the 15 years old car, this key looks perfect. It has no damages, it has no defects, it has no scratches or cracks, and if we compare them to each other, the difference is very noticeable. This looks way better than this, and this is complete key, guys. It has the chip inside, so it can be programmed to work with my car. And I will now swap the chips from this. I will take the chip and install here, and from this I will take the chip which is right for my car and installed here. So in the future, if I will have a second key, I very easily can program the chip from this key and attach it to my car. So guys, now I will disassemble these keys and show you what is inside and how you can easily swap the chips. Otherwise, these plastic covers are the same, and it is very important that this is genuine. I don't respect some Chinese made stuff which you can buy online and swap your chip on the Chinese keys. This game is not for me, guys. I will better invest in some good used parts, even go and buy some China crap. I hate China made stuff, and I never use any of the China made stuff on my car. So guys, now I will open them and show you what is inside. Guys, now let's open this, my original key. At first you must remove the iron key, and then you can simply push this and open the head of it, and now it will come very easily. Here you can see it, original Mercedes key, the letters on it, and the company which makes it. Guys, I don't know if any of you know this, but I want to show you that these plastic keys are actually waterproof. And what I mean in this, that it is sealed with the rubber. Here you can see the rubber, and when it goes here all the way, it is sealed to be waterproof, but in this case it will not be waterproof because the buttons are correct and water will go through from these buttons. So guys, here we have 2 batteries, and now we are going to remove this main chip from the K. For that job you will need some picks. I have various picks here. Here you can see them, and you must be very gentle to remove it. So this white plastic secures the main plate on the place. After you remove this white plastic, it will be easy to remove the plate itself. Able to remove this, you must use this type of pick tool. Then grab here, you can see it grabs this plastic and pull it out, and the main chip will be removed from your key fob. This is the chip. Now I am going to install in this key fob, and then the main task of our job will done. So now I'm going to do the same job on this key. I removed this battery holder from this new key. Now I will try my best to use this and clean with dry as good as I can, and then I will proceed to remove the main plate from the new key. So guys, with this method I showed you, I was able to remove the main chip from the new key cover as I showed you, and now I will swap this here and this here, and this will be my new go-to key to work with my car, and also I will swap these guys. This is for my car, and let's put here, and this is the new one. I will put this here. So now I will attach everything and let you know how it would like. The main task I want to show you is that, guys, you can see here, you can attach this plastic with these holes here, and then after it you must insert it here, and the key itself has the place where it is mandatory to install it. I know. Now I will show you guys what I mean here, and you can see that it has the rails, and you must put this here. So I will do now it and show you how it will look. So guys, I have pushed this chip in the new key fob, and then pushed with my pick tool, and you can notice that it clicks, and it means that it is inside. This plastic now holds it, and it will not go anywhere. So now let's put the batteries and see how it will work. So guys, I installed now the batteries inside. I mean this part, it also clicks here, and you can see that and the key is now ready to use on my car. It blinks when you put the keys, and I think that it will work without any problems. So now I am also swapping this. This is for my car, and this is for the car which came with this key. Now I will put it here, and the final result will be ready. So guys, highly recommend, if you will able to locate these key fobs or keys in good condition with affordable price, go and buy it, and then swap your correct key, and you will be happy. So this was a little video. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned, subscribe, and thank you for watching.